Hey guys, welcome back again to another video. I hope this video finds you in perfect health. Today I'm cooking for the first time Nigerian dish. It's made with this green leaf. It's called Efo Tete. I don't know how it's called in Ghana. There's so much hype about it and I decided to try it. If I'm missing anything and you're Nigerian, please let me know. I start by cooking my proteins on the side, and here is roasted turkey. Just adding some onions, garlic, stockfish, salt, homemade spice blend. I cover the pot and let it cook. Stir in periodically to make sure the spices and the turkey blends together. I then add some water and let it cook. The next protein I'm using is goat meat. Added onions. I use the same procedure. Spices and cook it on the side. And the reason why I'm doing that is because the goat meat is tougher than the turkey meat. Remember, I did not add water to my protein. I let it cook in its juices. I would later add water. In a heated pan, I added palm oil, which is red oil, with salted fish, locust bean powder, I added onions, garlic, fresh tomatoes, habanero pepper, I then add my proteins. Roasted turkey and goat meat. Stir and let that simmer for a few minutes. And then add fish and shrimp powder. This is homemade. It's a mixture of fish and shrimp powder. Let it cook for a few minutes. Now it's time to add the famous Efo Tete leaves. I add that and let it cook for just a few more minutes, and my stew is ready. I did not add extra salt because I already added salt to the goat meat and turkey meat. Guys, look at this beauty. It is ready to enjoy. Looks yummylicious. Let's do a taste test. Yummy. Efo Tete is a 10/10 for me. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.